going to see how to use trim entities and extended entities. So select our first plane, top plane, sketch, and draw some geometry. Okay. Now here there are two tools, trim entities and extend entities. So we will see how to trim anything, any line, any part. So select trim entities. There are 5 options: power trim, corner, trim away inside, trim away outside, and trim to closest. This is power trim. This is the mostly using power trim. This is very useful and very easy. Just press your left mouse, drag it and clear. Press left mouse, drag it, clear. Just go back, again choose trim entities, choose power trim and just press left mouse and drag both trim. So this is the trim entities. Now we will see next corner entities. Just select this line, this line. See, the corner open lines are deleted. So this is the corner trims. Just undo and choose again trim entities. We will draw some more geometries. Exit. Now we will choose trim entities. Now we will use trim away inside. Means we want to delete inside line. So select this line and select this inside line. See, it is trim. Select this line. This is also trim. So this is no, this is not applicable. So this is the trim entities away inside. You can delete inside parts. So just undo and again choose trim entities and select trim away outside. Now select this line and select this inside. See, this outside lines are trim. So this is trim away outside. Outside line deleted. Just make undo. Again choose trim entities and choose trim to closest. This is also widely used. You can cut any lines. It is a kind of knife. So this is trim to closest. The closest part you can cut it. Okay. So just now we will see extended entities. What is extended? We want to extend some portion. So select this. See, it is extended. This is not. Select this. It is extended up to their next line. This is no. This is. Select this. It is extended up to here. So this is the extended entities. I hope you enjoyed this video.